when I was editing a video, my video was going kind of cutting like non-stop. Like, for me it was an absolute honor to speak to you. We started, guys, not being able to stay on the bike, and we've reached to a stage of learning some big jumps, doing loads of video editing. I got loads into video editing and photography. The time is very precious at the moment, so I will be limiting my videos. Hello everybody watching, and welcome back to my channel yet for another video, guys. Today's video, guys, it's going to be a bit different. It's 10 o'clock at the moment here in the UK. So I was just sitting down and I just thought to have a little chat with you guys, you know, just share with you some changes that are happening in my life. Before the start of the video, guys, I just want to say thank you all for supporting and watching my videos. It's been absolutely incredible journey so far on YouTube. I've met some of my best friends and some of my best riding buddies through YouTube, so it's been absolutely insane, and I want to say thank you so much for the great support. You guys been amazing, and you guys have been pushing me to go further and further with my mountain biking skills. Now let's start the video, guys. Like I mentioned, few changes are happening at the moment. Now we're going back into lockdown, guys, so we're not allowed to go out of the county, and I really hope that you're all staying safe and you have a place to exercise or still go out and get some rides done. I'm pretty lucky on that because I've got a few really nice places just at my doorstep. So guys, I'm gonna be hopefully having the time to go and get some rides done. Next thing, guys, it's I've got so many things going on in my life. I've started full-time uni, I've got my full-time job, I've got full-time being a dad on a 4 and 5 year old, I've got full-time being a husband, and on top of that, guys, I really want to practice and do more with my hobby, which is my mountain biking and my recently video editing and photography. So guys, it's been really hard to juggle between these things, and as loads of you that are following me since the beginning know that this channel, it's all about progression. We've started, guys, not being able to stay on the bike, and we've reached to a stage of learning some big jumps and able to send some proper downhill tracks. So guys, the journey was absolutely amazing, like I said, but through the journey we started doing loads of video editing. I got loads into video editing and photography, so I've started, you know, trying to improve the quality of my video productions. So guys, I really want to keep on doing that, but the time is very precious at the moment, so I will be limiting my videos, one video a week. Hopefully I'll be able to put one video a week. If not, it's gonna be one video every 2 weeks, because I want to increase the production quality of the videos, use all the gear that I've actually purchased recently, and, you know, start making better content for you guys. I really enjoy making content, so I'm not gonna stop doing that. I love making mountain bike videos. So guys, you're gonna be seeing more edits, you're gonna be seeing more how-to videos. I don't feel very confident yet to do how-to videos, you know, riding your bike, but there are gonna be popping how-to videos of how to maybe change your tire, or just how to expose your shots right on your camera, or what settings I'm using on the GoPro, and just little tips like that that might help you out on your journey and your filming experience. Okay guys, the next change in my life is, like I mentioned, we bought some new gear. We've got a nice camera now, and my editing software, I was using Cyberlink Power Director, just was not coping with the demand that I was throwing at it. So it was time as well to upgrade the software as well with the PC, guys. My PC was struggling. Many of you can relate to what I'm gonna say now. When I was editing a video, my video was going kind of cutting like non-stop, like going freezing and crashing, and as soon as I start adding color grades and masks and things that I want to use, effects, and my computer was just crashing. So guys, it was time for an upgrade on that as well. So let me just go and show you a little B-roll of the new machine that I bought, and I hope you're gonna like it.
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined. Won't you kiss me? Won't you play? Won't you judge me? Ain't no way I could deny you, I could strive. Will you kiss me? Ain't no way.
Yeah, this is coffee. I know it's 10 o'clock, but it's so good. And guys, I really hope you enjoyed that B-roll. That's the new machine, and like I mentioned, with the new machine I can start using a heavier software. I was using Cyberlink because it's not that heavy on the computer, and I still could have edit 4K videos. So now guys, from now on, we're gonna be using Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut, guys, it's something like a set standard in the industry. So I just thought, because I don't own an Apple, I'm gonna just use Premiere Pro. The new software, guys, it's gonna give us some more effects. It's gonna give us some bigger capabilities, you know, in the form of video editing. So I'm really excited to try out the new PC, try out the new editing software. So from now on, all the videos are gonna be edited using Adobe Premiere Pro, guys. So if you have any questions about how I managed to make something, just put them in the comment section. We love comments. I absolutely love your comments, guys. Your comments make me so happy. So any questions, any tips that you have, leave them in the comment section below, guys. Okay guys, and finally, because of the lockdown and me not being able to go and travel and show you new places, that's again gonna limit the videos a bit more at the moment. You've seen all these trials around me so many times, so I don't want to bore you or, you know, put up the same thing over and over again 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 and over again. If they have changed something on a trial that I've been riding, I will show that definitely, because the Hush Hush spot, guys, it's changing all the time. So there are new bits already in there. I haven't been riding there in ages. So hopefully I'm gonna be able to visit this place soon and meet up with some of my riding buddies, because I haven't met them in so long now. So yeah guys, that's summarize it all. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you didn't get really bored. If you got till here, guys, make sure to give us a comment, give us a like, tell us what you think, guys, and how you feel about your mountain biking, and are you having enough of time to get out and ride your bike? Are you having enough of money to purchase all the gear and to maintain the bikes? Because that's things, guys, that not many people speak about. And these are the things that we normal riders, not professional sponsored riders, are struggling with on a daily basis. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. For me, it was an absolute honor to speak to you, and I hope I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until then, guys, like I always say, if I can do it, anyone can. Enjoy your rides, guys.